Alright guys, welcome again to another Man Cave Media Productions. This video I'm basically just going to show you the big Boy SCX. I know you guys have seen it in pictures, but figured I'd shoot a little video of it. This paint actually was a complete total accident. I went with, I believe it was Duplicolor red anodized paint, and I figured it would have been solid, but as you can see, you can look right down and see everything, which is kind of cool because it adds, look on the ground, it adds almost like a ground effect look when the sun would filter through it when you're running it. And this body originally was just going to be a throw together one, and I ended up spending about 5-6 hours on it, working on it. Between cutting it out, and I modified the rear cage. I don't have the upper assembly. I've got it, but I cut it off from the back here and just took my other body and had this nicer one because the other one needed holes drilled and everything. But I think it looks a little better without the full cage on the back plus the big duals. But what I want to show you guys is, look at that. Look how crazy that is. You seeing that? Look at that. That is just ridiculous. Even with the 4-link, I might actually have to put a set of springs on it. But it does compress really well on the back. Allows for great articulation where the front is rather a little bit stiffer, but still flexes pretty good. Now, this is going to be a quick video, so I'm just going to show you as it falls to the ground. I'm going to show you the other project now that is underway. This right here is going to be my dual axle gooseneck trailer. As you can see, it's nothing more than Tractor Supply 1/2-inch angle iron with 1/2-inch square DOM tubing on the front and back ends. I've put little bends in the backs for a drop down so it's easier to load up. Gone ahead and welded the joints back together, inside and out on both ends. I've gone ahead and put very, very healthy tack welds on the insides, and on the outsides I've just basically spot welded, and then I'm going to grind down the ends. But on this end here is where my upper posts are going to come for the actual dovetail for the gooseneck. And just to show you guys here real quick, with having the dually, we've run into a little issue now. Let's set this up here just so the tires sit on there. Even with the width that I cut this trailer at, which is 12 inches, the tires still hang over the edges. So when I go to do the fenders on it, I've got to make damn sure that I build them beefy enough that driving up and over it's not going to bend them in. Now I'm going to show you the other materials that I'll be using for this build. Of course, I've got the 1/2-inch angle iron, 48-inch length. I've got a bunch of this 1/2-inch flat stock, which will be used to go underneath the flooring, up underneath here in lateral braces. And then for the axle, I have... and everything just falls over. You get that out of there for me. For the axle, I have a 1/2-inch DOM tube, which I will be drilling holes. I believe it was Crazy Joe on the forum who does the fabrication for Rude Boys. I'm going to drill a hole inside of here to put a grease fitting on. And then inside of the axle is going to be this piece of threaded rod, which I made very careful that it was the same size threaded rod that is used on the axles. So I should have no issues when it comes to putting that inside of there. And of course I will be pumping the hell out of it with marine grease. Wow, that came out really bad. Either way, in a nutshell, trailer's coming along. I'm going to upload some photos as well as this video. I know my computer's been having issues lately with the wireless and YouTube, so this video might not make it, but if it does, the photos will be up there too. That's pretty much it. Show you a couple of the decals that are on here. I went real simple with them, didn't want to overdo them. It's been another Man Cave Media production. You can always find me on rcsparks.com forum, Crawler for Life. On YouTube, I'm Mr. Mopar for Life. And also on Facebook. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys later.